Sa video natin ngayon, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano gumawa ng content calendar gamit ang ScaleNote. Kamusta guys? Ako si Ashley at kung madalas ka rin nape-pressure mag-isip ng content ideas o minsan hindi ka consistent sa pagpo-post, hindi ka nag-iisa. Nakaka-overwhelm talaga gumawa ng content regularly, lalo na kung sabay-sabay mong minamanage ang maraming platforms o sinusubukan mong humabol sa trends. But what if there was a tool na pwedeng makatulong sa'yo magplano, mag-organize, at kahit magbigay ng content ideas na swak sa niche mo? So today, I'm gonna walk you through step by step kung paano gamitin ang ScaleNote AI para gumawa ng effective content calendar. Kung vlogger ka, small business owner, or someone just trying to stay consistent online, makakatulong ang demo na to para ma-simplify ang content strategy mo and actually stay on track. Pero bago mag-demo, pag-usapan muna natin kung ano ang ScaleNote AI. Ang ScaleNote AI ay isang powered SEO at content marketing platform na ginawa to help users na magplano, mag-research, gumawa at mag-optimize ng content ng mas madali mula keyword research, content generation, may iba't ibang tools si ScaleNote AI na bagay sa content needs mo. Isa sa pinakaastig na feature nito, the ability to assist in building a comprehensive content calendar para masiguradong swak yung content sa marketing goals mo and sa interest ng audience. So, bakit ba kailangan ng content calendar? Hindi lang ito for schedules. Isa tong strategic tool na tumutulong para maging consistent kasi kapag regular ka na nagpo-post, mas engage yung audience at mas gumaganda ang SEO rankings mo. Plus, dahil may plano ka ahead of time, mas madaling ma-anticipate yung parating na events, holidays, o product launches and create content accordingly. Next ay yung pag-allocate ng resources. So, distribute tasks among team members and manage workloads effectively. Sunod ay ang pagta-track ng performance para makita kung alin sa contents ang pinaka-effective and adjust your strategy as needed. With ScaleNote AI, madaling gumawa at mag-manage ng content calendar kasi lahat ng kailangan mo sa content planning naka-integrate na sa isang platform. So, tara gumawa tayo ng content calendar gamit ang ScaleNote AI. To follow along with the demo, make sure you use our exclusive link in the description. Ang gagawin mo lang, i-click yung link tapos pwede mo na i-try yung software for free. I-click lang natin dito tapos sign up gamit ang Gmail, Google, whatever it may be. Pagkapasok, makikita mo na agad yung dashboard mo. Merong article writer na tinatawag na ding cruise mode, meron ding content optimizer, nandyan na din yung keyword planner banner, traffic analyzer, content audit, at ilang add-ons gaya ng link manager, detect and humanize, on-page pro, at syempre pwede ka rin mag-hire ng SEO expert kung gusto mo. So ngayon, punta na tayo sa keyword planner. So ang gagawin mo dito, i-type lang yung niche mo. Pwede mong ilagay yung niche na gusto mo. For example, ilalagay ko yung women's weight loss. Okay, kung gusto mo naman mas specific like over 40, under 40, postpartum, kahit ano, pwede mong specify tapos i-click lang yung plan. Magla-load yung report ng ilang minutes pero pwede rin agad buksan. Dito makikita mo lahat ng clustered keywords. Merong ladies weight loss, merong female weight loss, merong woman loss weight, weight loss for obese woman, meron ding women's weight loss retreat, weight loss diets for women. Okay, para magplano ng content depende sa type ng content na gusto mong gawin. Pwede kang gumawa ng article diretso dito na i-go over natin. Pero kung gusto mo lang i-export all of this and just build a calendar around this, kailangan lang gawin ay i-click yung export and now you've got all this information right here for you. At pwede mong gamitin tong info na to para gumawa ng content calendar. So, ang pwede mong gawin, ScaleNote actually does have a free editorial template in. Yung editorial calendar, ang foundation ng content marketing team mo. Dito nakikita yung buong life cycle ng content development process mula sa ideation to final publishing. Nakakatulong to para organize yung effort mo so that content is produced promptly and consistently. Parang regular calendar lang din, dapat simple yung format para madali baguhin if needed. Pwede kang gumamit ng Excel sheets to make your editorial calendar or scale its content schedule little template for free reference. Pwede mong i-color code, pero ang pinaka-importante talaga ay siguraduhin na may system ka na sinusunod. So, balik lang tayo dito sa info na to kasi ito yung gagamitin mo para gumawa ng content. Okay, so ang pwede rin natin gawin mula dito ay sabihin na bigyan mo ako ng 30 days of content base sa mga keywords na to. Hayaan lang natin si AI gumawa ng trabaho niya. At ngayon na meron ka ng weeks worth of content na ready na, ngayon kung gusto mong gumawa ng article diretso mula dito, pwede ka nang gumawa ng SEO article. I-click mo lang yung open article. So now you can see na wala pang nakasulat pero dito natin makikita yung SEO score. Brief, gaps and gains, research and interlinking. So, pwede na tayong magsulat dito. Makikita mo 7 out of 100 pa lang. So, ayusin natin yung meta tags, mag-add tayo ng resume editing. Okay, dito nakalagay yung improve SEO score by fixing key terms. Pwede ka ring mag-add ng URL, isang featured snippet, at i-add yung resume editing. So, this just gives you yung exact na kailangan mo to write articles, kung ano dapat yung ayusin in order to make it SEO and to get high SEO score. So ngayon, we can go and right ahead. Gamitin natin yung AI nila para tapusin yung next part. Pwede mo rin gawin, imbes na isulat na mano-mano, ay pumunta sa cruise mode. Ito na mismo ang gagawa para sa'yo. So gagawa tayo ng title and now they've got AI-generated titles right here for you. Punta tayo sa Ladies Weight Loss. 10 myths you need to stop believing. Create outline, tapos complete na agad yung outline. Makikita mo na meron ng key highlights, introduction, and 10 myths. Myth number 1, carbs are the enemy of weight loss. Myth number 2, you have to starve yourself to lose weight. Myth number 3, lifting weights make you bulky. Myth number 4, you can spot reduce fat. Myth number 5, skipping meals helps you lose weight faster. Kita mo, ginawa niya lahat yan mag-isa. Wala na akong kailangan gawin. The common mistakes na ginagawa ng woman kapag nagtitry mag-lose weight, tulad ng focusing on the scale, ignoring strength training, conclusion, at meron ding frequently asked questions. Kagaya ng, is it true that women lose weight slower than men? How does menopause affect weight loss? At iba pa. So ngayon, mag-generate na tayo ng content. Yung personalized article ay aabutin ng ilang minutes, pero they will notify you kapag tapos na. So again, ang gagawin mo is use all of this to create your own content calendar. Pwede kang gumamit ng Excel sheet at meron ding editorial calendar. Notion girly ako, kaya everything I do is a Notion include my content calendar. Ang gagawin ko is pupunta ako sa content calendar ko. Okay, pwede mo rin gawin to sa Notion. Meron akong short form, meron akong email schedule, meron akong podcast schedule, at nandito na lahat. Meron din akong stories. If there's something that I need to say, and then example, you could have an article, blog post schedule, or kung ano pa. Pero dito, gawin mong script out lahat easily at naka-plan out lahat and ready to go. So, yung combo ng ScaleNut at Notion, sobrang helpful. Ngayon, we've got the article completely generated, okay? Meron ka ng ladies weight loss, 10 myths you need to stop believing. Naglagay pa sila ng photo dito, may key highlights, at lahat ng myths nandito na rin. Okay, so pwede na natin i-export to editor, at kung meron tayong gustong baguhin, pwede naman. Makikita natin na 72 out of 100 na siya, which is way better than us initially writing on our own. Makikita mo yung improve SEO score by fixing terms. Okay, kailangan natin gumamit ng at least 5 more terms. So, i-click natin yung fix it, tapos i-click yung accept sa sleep deprivation, accept lahat to. Okay, ngayon, our score has moved up. Amazing. Meron ding links. Sabi dito, current outbound link is 0. Suggested 6 to 12, kaya kailangan mong gumamit ng links to increase SEO scores. Pwede mong i-add yun at tataas pa siya. Meron ding heading issues kasi yung primary and secondary keywords dapat present sa H2 to H6 headings, kaya kailangan natin i-adjust yan. Content depth. Okay. So even here it says current bold word count is 0. Suggested is 17 to 21. Current word count of headings is 167. Suggested 85. Okay. So lahat ng little nitty-gritty information that tells you to fix your rank higher for SEO. Yung quality ng depth ng lahat ng ito, sobrang powerful talaga. So ngayon makikita mo ng meron brief. Nandito yung outline, images, word count, headings, gaps, and gains. Okay. So ito yung ilang missing topics. Nakalagay practical weight loss tips and strategies for women, importance of sleep and stress management. So dito, pwede tayong mag-click to add. I-click to add lahat ng to. Tapos, dito makikita mo rin lahat ng gaps. Para naman sa research, dito mo makikita lahat ng key terms, yung competition, questions, statistics, at iba pang details. At yung last part is yung interlinking, which you have to add a domain for. So, ngayon, para gumawa ng actual content calendar, meron ka ng isa at uulitin mo lang to para sa bawat content na gusto mong gawin. So, again, alam mo na kung paano maghanap ng keywords, paano magsulat ng articles, at meron kang options kung paano gumawa ng content calendar. Pwede mong gawin yung Notion. Marami silang free templates na pwede mong i-check para makagawa ka rin ng content calendar. Pero importante talaga na may content calendar ka for a lot of reasons. Lalo na para maging organized ka and make sure you're getting the message across that you need to do. So, ilang key features ng ScaleNut na dapat mong malaman is yung keyword planner na nabanggit ko. Kung saan pwede kang makadiscover ng trending keywords to your niche and to inform your content topic. Meron din silang AI content generation. Pwede kang mag-generate ng content briefs or kahit full articles based sa selected keywords. Meron din silang SEO optimization, kaya makakuha ka ng real-time feedback kung paano mo i-optimize yung content mo for search engines. Meron din silang collaboration tools para mag-assign ng tasks, mag-set ng deadlines, at makipag-collaborate sa team members within the platform. And lastly, meron ding perform analytics, kaya pwede mong i-track kung paano nagpe-perform yung content mo at makagawa ng data-driven decisions. So, ilang benefits lang to sa paggamit ng ScaleNut para gumawa ng content calendar, mas magiging efficient, mas streamline mo yung content planning and creation process, saving time and resources. Makakatulong to sa'yo to stay consistent so you can maintain a regular posting schedule, keeping your audience engaged. Makakatulong din to sa strategic planning para ma-align yung content mo sa business goals, seasonal trends, and audience interest, at syempre, improve SEO dahil rin pwede mong i-leverage yung AI tools nila para ma-optimize yung content mo for better search engine visibility. Ang pag-integrate ng Scale Not AI sa content strategy mo pwedeng maging game changer if you do it right. Dahil sa intuitive design and powerful features ng platform, less hassle ang content planning and more of an existing part of your business growth. So, may ilang options sa Scale Not pagdating sa pricing. Pwede ka magbayad ng monthly o annually, makakasave ka ng 60%. Meron silang essential plan na kung annually ka magbabayad, $20 per month lang. Pwede kang gumawa ng ready-to-rank humanized articles and that's 10 articles per month. Pwede mo rin i-optimize at gawing humanize yung existing articles which is 10 articles per month. Meron ka rin makukuhang WordPress plugin. Sa growth plan, meron $32 per month kapag annual billing. Makakakuha ka ng 60 articles per month para gumawa ng ready-to-rank humanized articles, 60 existing articles na pwede mong i-optimize at pwede ka rin mag-build ng keyword clusters, mag-audit and mag-optimize ng sites, mag-analyze ng web pages, mag-add ng up to team members. Sa Pro plan naman, na $60 per month, build annually, makukuha mo lahat ng growth features, pero mas marami ka rin articles na pwedeng gawin. Parehong ready-to-rank, humanized articles, and existing articles. Pwede ka rin gumawa ng powerful keyword clusters at mag-optimize ng 2,000 pages per month sa site mo. Kaya din niya mag-analyze ng web pages, up to 3,000 pages per month at unlimited domains pa. Pwede ka rin magkaroon ng up to 17 members. Meron din silang managed service na completely custom, kaya pwede ka mag-book ng call with them kung gusto mong i-check. Pero again, kung gusto mong makuha yung best price possible, I recommend paying annually kasi makakasave ka ng 60% sa bawat plans na to. So kung gusto mong i-check, nilagay ko yung link sa description sa baba. Gusto ko lang sabihin na affiliate links to. Ibig sabihin na kuha kami ng small commission pero wala namang extra cost from you. It just allows us to keep creating content, tutorials exactly like this. Kaya kung gagamitin mo yung link namin, sobrang thank you in advance. Kung nagustuhan mong video na to, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel at mag-iwan ng comments sa questions sa baba. Gusto naming makarinig mula sa inyo. Ang channel na to ay dedicated para tulungan ka mag-build at mag-launch ng website, digital product o online business mo. So thank you so much for watching and kita-kits sa susunod na video.